Hello everyone, we have an exciting job offer for you. To register yourself with our company to give interview for over 40 companies, please call on this number and register yourself. Please note that we have our offices in Tokyo, Nagoya and Osaka. In Tokyo, you can give interview from Monday to Sunday, and in Nagoya and Osaka, you can give interview from Monday to Friday. Today I have a very exciting job offer for you. Here is a ramen shop. The location is Setagaya-ku, Tokyo. The work is customer service, cooking management work, and if you have ability, you can also become the store manager. Late night allowance are there, meals, job titles are there, and family allowance is also given. So the salary is 250,000 yen, and holiday is on 24th of every month. The language ability is N3 and above. Thank you.